Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, gents half setup, full setup, baby sweater, caps, muffler and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 2. Cast on multiple of 2. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 12 stitches on my needle. 12 stitches multiple of 2. 6 times 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 and plus 2 12. And here I make this pattern after cast on. You can knit any border you want. So this is first row and right side knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row slip edge, yarn in back and again knit these all stitches till the end of row. Wall edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? This is 2 stitches pattern 1 2. Again we repeat this pattern. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Again yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. One more time, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Here we complete 5 times repeat pattern, last edge knit edge from right side. Third row is completed of fourth row wrong side. In this row knit as knit and purl as purl. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Here we complete 5 times repeat pattern, last edge purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. First row knit these all stitches and in this way we repeat these 1 2 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more video. So take care and bye bye friend.